Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So quickly starting the T1 mass tax question asked in 2024 MyCycle. So what is the primary purpose of initializing state in a chatbot node component in React.js? Okay. So to manage the component internal data and state. Okay. Which lifecycle method or hook in React.js is commonly used to fetch component did mount in lifecycle method? Option 2. Option number A is the answer. Okay. So which React hook is used to initialize and manage states within a functional component? So use state. So which state is essential for re-rendering the initial content of a chat node component in React.js? So creating the component JS structure. Okay. So in context of chat node component, what does the term props refers to? Props means properties and data passed from parent component to the child component. The option number B is the correct answer. Okay. So which method in React.js is commonly used for executing multiple asynchronous tasks concurrently? That is promise.all. Okay. So what is the primary benefit of using web workers for parallel execution in React.js? Okay. So the answer is improved performance by utilizing multiple CPU cores. Okay. So which React feature aims to improve responsiveness and user experience by re-rendering UI updates more responsively, especially in scenarios with complex rendering tasks? So the answer is concurrent mode. Okay. So which role does promise.all plays in achieving parallel execution of asynchronous tasks in React.js? So it waits for all promises in an array to resolve or reject. Okay. So which React hook is commonly used to execute side effects asynchronously and manage parallel execution of time? So side effects, we will use effect. Okay. Use state for managing states. Use reducer for managing complex complex queries. Means states management, where we use a dispatcher and an actions. Okay. So this is reducer, and use context is based on a context. So next question, which HTTP method is typically used to fetch weather data from a weather API? So the answer is get to retrieve the data, post to post some data into the database, put to update the data, and delete for removing the data from the database. Okay. So which role does the API keys plays in accessing weather data from a weather app in React.js? So from there, so the option number C is the correct answer. It authenticates the user access to the weather API. Okay. Which of the following JSON method is commonly used to parse JSON data? JSON data, that is JSON.parse. Okay. So what is the primary purpose of using use effect hook when fetching weather data from a weather API in React.js? So to manage side effects and such as data fetching or DAIN manipulation. The option number B is the correct answer. Okay. So which React hook is typically used to manage states when fetching and storing weather data from a weather API in React.js application? So the answer is states. Use state. Okay. So what is the primary purpose of should component update method in React? So to determine if a component should render based on initial states props. Option number A is the correct answer. Okay. In React lifecycle phase, does the component should update method get invoked in React in updating phase? Okay. What values does the should component update method returns to prevent a component from pre-rendering in React? The answer is false. Okay. So which React features offers an alternative to manually implementing should component update for class component? So the answer is pure components. Option number D is the answer. Okay, this is the explanation you can see. So what is the recommended approach for optimizing functional component in React without implementing should component update using the use memo hook? Okay. So this is all for this video, and please wait for the part 2. It will be available by tomorrow. So please get to and subscribe the channel also. So that was the other important question that were also asked in the 2024 MyCycle. Okay. So this is all for today's video. Thank you. Please subscribe the channel for the latest update.